go from this to this. This is Bob Johnson coming at you with another video, this time about small tool storage. I'm a slob around the workshop and I really hate it. I'm neat in other aspects of my life, like my truck, my bedroom and my bathroom, but for some reason my desk and my workbench are terrible. I'm going to give you 4 reasons why really neat craftsmen aren't anal retentive, they're actually smart. Number 1, organized tools and supplies are neat, clean, and ready to be used, less likely to be damaged. And that results in neat craftsmen being safer and producing better work. Number 2, neat craftsmen don't waste a lot of time looking for tools and materials that they already have on hand. The result is they get more accomplished. Number 3, neat craftsmen never have to settle for the second best tool they have or not the perfect material that they might have on hand in order to get the job done, because they can't find that tool or they can't find that material. And this results in them doing better work. Last but not least, a neat work area makes you want to spend time in it and be creative. In this way, neat craftsmen get more accomplished. They want to be in their workshop. They want to be at their layout because everything is neat and organized and it's an inviting environment. In order to get a little more organized around the workbench, I decided to get my small tools organized. Look, we've all got the coffee can, the yogurt container, the coffee mug, the box, holding tools all jumbled together. Let's stop doing that. So in order to stop doing that, I ordered this set of drawers from Amazon, and I'll put a link to the Amazon listing in the description below. Now, admittedly, it was $70. That's not cheap. However, what price can you put on improved productivity and spending even another hour at the workbench? I tell you, I think it's money well spent. So this is a set of drawers for artist storage to hold pencils, pastels, things like that. What I did was I printed out some labels. After I got this loaded up, I printed out some labels on my computer, and then I pasted some labels on the drawers to help me find things, and I think it came out really well. Let's take a tour of the shelving unit and I'll show you some of its features. On the top drawer, I've got pencils. I think the important thing to note here is that it holds 2 rows of pencils. That's a lot of pencils. I can also fit the sharpener in there. It clears easily. Now the next drawer has got files and markers. Look at this, full-size markers fitting in there, no problem. The next drawer has got knives, and look, it fits even the fat knives like the X2000 or the Flexi, and it also holds the containers for extra blades. Super convenient. Next drawer, tweezers, and look, 2 full-size sets of scissors fit in there, no problem. Nippers, pliers, you know, those are the Zurons there to the left. It all fits in the drawers. That 1/2 inch provides a lot of space. Here's more pliers, saws, all fit in there perfectly, and then of course more pencils and pens, which I have a lot of, for weathering, and look, 3 more drawers still to fill. Well, thanks for watching. I'd appreciate a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you like this content. In fact, if you like this content, perhaps you'll like one of my other earlier videos about knives and reviewing 7 different hobby knives. I'll put a link to that video at the end of this video. But remember, 4 good reasons to get organized around the workbench. Your tools and supplies will be in better condition. You won't be wasting time looking for stuff. You'll never find yourself using the second best tool in your arsenal or scratch building something when you have a ready-made part somewhere, you just can't find it. And a neat work area will encourage you to do more work. Thanks for watching. Until next time, Bob Johnson with PK&W Railroad signing off. Keep on modeling.